It is time. It's time for the Lightning Round quiz match where our close one. You see the stock started up, but I also don't know course stock one. There's no mistake. First, we're going to play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round quiz match. We'll start with Stephanie in Colorado. Stephanie.
Yes, hello, Mr. Cramer. I'm so happy to connect with you. I wonder what your opinion is about Shopify.
Shopify, the Canadian super app that is going to be moving to here and listen in New York. I say bye. And now we're going to go to Frank in Ohio. Frank.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. I have a stock, PAA, Plains America.
Listen, Sunshine, that's a terrific stock with a 7.5% yield. Not only am I a buyer, but I wish we owned it for the Charitable Trust. Now we're going to go to Laura in Connecticut. Laura. That accent. Laura.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for having me on the show. So excited.
My pleasure.
So I have a question, and I'm hoping you could help me out. I had bought SoundHound low.
Okay, so look, I want you to sell SoundHound. I regard SoundHound as a complete meme stock. It's part of the cohort that we see now trades every morning, and it's depending upon its relationship with NVIDIA. And I don't think the relationship is really that meaningful. I think you should sell SoundHound, okay? I'm putting it out there. I know it's going to give you a lot of heat online, but I don't care. Let's go to Brian in Michigan. Brian.
Hi, Jim. This is Brian. I'm long term. I've been watching every day at 9 and 6. And
thank you, Ben.
I thank you for what you give all of us. And I just want to get your opinion on FMC. Is it about?
I was very depressed by FMC. Right at the time when we were winning the Super Bowl in Philadelphia, they came out and they were like, they dropped the ball. It's very rare to see a fumble like that was so bad as they did. It was like a pick six against them. I want you to stay away from FMC. They have a lot to prove. That was a terrible quarter. Let's go to Paul in Arizona. Paul.
Jim, long time, first time.
Oh, excellent. I'm glad you're on. What's up?
You have a tremendous amount of energy. I don't know how you do it.
Well, I don't know. I got a great staff. I got my Regina Gilligan looking at me. She's always critical of me. That's fine. It keeps me on my toes. Thank you. Go ahead.
I'll cut right to the chase. I'm curious to know, what is your take in general on the coal industry, and what is your take in particular?
I was betting that coal could make a comeback only just because I just thought that was in line with the president. But the prices for coal are so bad. What, any particular stock in the coal group?
Yes, sir. Core Natural Resources, CNR.
That's just another just, it's a Pennsylvania coal company, but there's just not much to these stocks. I wish they could find a bottom, but they can't. But I really glad that you called about it. Let's go to Charlie in California. Charlie.
Hey, Jim. Hey, long time listener. I really appreciate what you do. I wanted to start off by saying thank you. If it wasn't for you, I probably would have never gotten the market. The way you explain it on all your shows, it gave me the confidence to do what I do now.
Thanks, Charlie. Well, that's the goal. To give people confidence to make the decisions themselves is really my goal because they have it in them, and so do you, Charlie. How can I help you?
Hey, so I'm a big fan of Palantir. I was in it way back when it was $18 a share. I got out before it took this last dive. Is it time to get back in?
Yes, it is. Palantir's a winner, and I'm telling you, we're going to see what they do with the Defense Department. I'm telling you, they're going to help the procurement department, the procurement process. And I'm a believer in Palantir, even if they don't believe in me. I don't care. Let's go to Eric in Michigan. Eric.
Jim, I'm a die-hard Mad Money watcher and a member of the club.
Yes, thank you. What's going on?
2 quick questions about Rocket Company. Question number 1. I own a significant position in Rocket Company and wanted your opinion on the recent purchase of Redfin. And question 2, when the Fed cuts interest rates and we get a refinancing boom, can this stock double from here?
Okay, I was not a big fan of the Redfin acquisition, and that was in part because I looked at Redfin many, many times, couldn't really figure it out. However, I am a big believer in Rocket, and yes, exactly what you said will happen. Therefore, you can own Rocket. The Redfin, I wish they would come on and explain it. I really do, because I really like them, but I thought that was quizzical. Let's go to Richard in New York. Richard!
Sir, give me chill.
Yeah, man, what's happening? Well, my pleasure.
To you.
Right back at you.
Thank you, sir. So listen, I recently got involved in the stock about a month ago. It had recent approvals from FDA, and it did get a little pop. But every day since then, it seems like it's dropped for over a month. And then I looked into it. There's obviously been some insider trading, even 1 million shares this week. And my question is, when is it investable? Is it still investable? SWX.
SWTX? SpringWorks Therapeutics. Man, I don't know SpringWorks from spring water. We're going to have to do some work on that one. I'm going to put the Professor Ben Stoto all over that because he knows that game forwards and backwards. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.